Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited to open the Witch's Fruits box for the month of August. Maleficent is even excited herself. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below. Let them know that I sent you guys. They're an amazing company that has all your magical tools. And what is in this box, guys? I'm so excited. These make my month every month, so thank you so much, Witch's Moon. And ooh, I need to read what the theme is, but I'm already seeing such cool stuff in here, guys. So let's unbox this, or open it, and unbox this box. Maleficent's loving the box. So this box is called The Deepest Peace. It says, as all of us are creators in our own terms, we can often find that it is very difficult to set aside time without distraction. With an overwhelming amount of stimulation available to us, it is so important that there are moments of calm, tranquility, and alignment. These moments are not only allow us to focus on those things that truly have purpose, but benefit us mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. It is within this deep peace that we can create with true intention, focusing in on our creative, intuitive skills. In a world where distractions are only growing larger and more appealing, take the time necessary to keep yourself centered and connected with the divine. Very beautiful. I'm so excited that we know the theme for this month, and I love their message. And with being in alignment and all those things, guys, I am seeing chakras, and this one says white tea, so some cute Book of Shadows artwork, guys. Oh, I love their chakra Book of Shadows artwork. That's cute. Hi, Maleficent. She just wants all the attention. I've been at work all day and she misses me. Oh, Maleficent. Oh my gosh, is this a little turquoise heart? It looks so cute. So there's like a little pouch with a heart. Or is this ammonite? I'm not sure, guys. This is a variety. So what's ammonite, guys? It's an ammonite heart used in jewelry dating back almost 4,000 years among the ancient Egyptians. Ammonite is considered a popular stone to be used within sacred and ritualistic items. As an absolute stone of harmony, ammonite is considered to be the peacekeeper. As you work and meditate with this stone, it allows energetic properties to align you with your highest truth. I love that. Oh, Maleficent, I love you too. Let's see. So I love these stones. They're so cute, guys. It's fun to add them in your pockets, your purse, your backpacks, and always have a good energy on you. I love that, and how it helps your throat chakra with your truths. And I didn't know the ancient Egyptians used that too. So it looks like we have some white tea. So we have this herb. We have a cute little pendant right here that looks very mystical and divine. Ooh, and it's in a little purple pouch. I wonder what it says on here. It looks like it says on the back, I am at peace with myself and my world. And it's this cute little charm right here, guys. It's cute and dainty, and it would be so good to like pray, meditate with it, and have this on you as a reminder. So that's so cute. And let's see what else is in here. It looks like there is... Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. They have a candle for each chakra. This is the stuff that I never really bought. Like, you know, in witchcraft they show all this colored spell candles. We get sent them from the Witch's Moon with their beeswax one, and I bought like bigger candles to represent each element. But I've never gotten these cute little ones before, guys. So I'm actually super stoked about this. This is so cool to have one to represent each chakra, and there's a cute little candle holder as well. And if you guys get from Dollar Tree, like a long dish would be perfect. Light another candle or use the lighter and melt like a little bit at the bottom of the candle, push it down, and it'll all stick on there. So if you want to burn them all at once, guys, and do like a chakra healing, OMG, that would be so cool and easy to do. A dollar glass plate or a dollar plastic plate, let it burn, and you can recycle the tray or just throw away the plate. Like, oh my god, how cool. I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. And what else is in here, guys? It looks like we have the ritual incense stick. So we have this one called Unblock. Oh, and I love that because we need to unblock things, so... That smells like Play-Doh, guys, and it kind of makes me super happy with my childhood, like unblocking all the things that have happened since we become an adult and since our youth. Like, oh, I love that one, the energy of it. And this one is an Alignment Magical Anointing Oil, guys. This smells good to help us come back to ourselves, to be realigned. I feel like I need this all day, every day. And let's read a little bit of magic about white tea, guys. It says the white peony Camellia sinensis. White tea has just recently become more prominent in circles of herbalists due to its overwhelming health benefits when brewed to drink. Unlike green or black tea, white tea is plucked before the buds are fully open and is generally less processed. These are considered the young and vibrant tea leaves. The name white tea comes from the white hairs that are found on the unopened buds of the tea plant. The specific type of white tea is called Mai Budin or white peony, as there is both buds and leaves mixed within this blend. White tea is primarily harvested in China. How neat, I'm Chinese too. But has recently been coming from Nepal, Taiwan, Thailand, and India. Nepal is one of the most spiritual places in the world, guys, in Tibet. So cool it's being harvested from those places in India where like enlightenment happened, spiritualism. So this is super sacred that it's coming from that area of the world too, guys. When brewed for consumption, white tea carries an enormous amount of health benefits, including but not limited to clearing skin. Oh my god, I have acne, preventing tooth decay, reducing the risk of heart disease, and boosting metabolism. Oh my god, I need help with like my teeth, there's so much stuff on here, guys. I'm just like, what? This is so good. I can totally use this to help my complexion. You guys might not tell because I got makeup on, but we got some acne and oh, I love this, guys. I cannot wait to work with this. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. I need to look so much more into white tea and brew some, drink some, especially with fall coming up. I feel like I struggle in summer to drink teas, rather if they're like iced teas from Starbucks or something. So I need to make my own iced teas in summer and do the warmer ones going into the colder months. I'm finally able to start wearing some jackets, guys. I'm so happy. I haven't worn them in so long with the weather in the mountains. It's been super hot, like I'm sure it's been along the world with you guys. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. I'm so ecstatic about this box and I love all the items in it. If I'm honest, the white tea and the lemon oil brings me joy, but these candles, I'm like so happy with these candles, guys. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box below and let them know that I sent you guys. The Witch's Moon has amazing subscription boxes like the Roots box, their Bounty box that comes with a jewelry pendant. This is the one we got this month. And they have a moon box that has all their ritual tools. And they also have their moon market, guys, where you can just buy incense, potions, tarot cards, oracle cards, divination tools. They have such amazing quality and prices. I love them, guys. Give them some love, and like always, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, the divine, and all ascended masters, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in their loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.